guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a hot second since I made a video. I say that every single time I make a video, but I wanted to show you guys an apartment tour. I said I was gonna make an apartment tour like when we first moved in. I did an empty apartment tour, and I said I was gonna do a full one when we moved in, but it was just like, it took forever to like decorate and everything like that. And now it's Christmas, so this is the Christmas version of the apartment decor tour. So I'm gonna link everything. I'm gonna link everything that I show you guys today. So welcome to my crib. And it was probably like super echoey out in the hallway, but we're good now. So I just wanted to show you guys our little entryway table. How cute is this? Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy cozy are we. And then I just totally went with like the evergreen theme here with like this cute little candle. Again, I'll link everything in the blog post. So in this video below, I'll link the blog post where everything is, and then vice versa. If you're watching this video on the blog post, it's all linked. So this is our apartment, our really big island here, and don't mind, I didn't really like completely clean up, so this is just real life. Super cute buffalo plaid carpet, I love it. I actually got this super cute little piece at it's called Scavengers Marketplace if you're local to Sarasota. Super cute, this was like $8.99 that I got. And then over here we've got our Keurig, and we've got our bottles of wine that are dressed up like little Grinches. And yes, I like literally ordered Chinese food tonight, so that's over here. And while there is no, okay, babe. And while there is no like Christmas decor over here, I figured, like I said, I'll show you. Well, actually, wait, you already saw the empty apartment tour, so you can go reference that video back. There's literally nothing to see over here except for my super crowded desk. When I get collab stuff, I always like put it over there before I do anything with it. Okay, so next up, we've got our little centerpiece of Christmas decor here. I found this really cute piece at Michael's. They had like 40% off, and then of course I'll link everything else. This was from Target, and this tree was from last year. I also got this little tray at that Scavengers Marketplace, and then for like $12, so that was local. I can't link it. Oh, also right next to that, I have this cute little reindeer treats thing. So I actually just got a candle at Kirkland's and then put it in this, which was at Kirkland's. Okay, moving on to the living room. So I get so many questions about this couch. It's from Rooms To Go. I'm pretty sure they discontinued it though. And I will link all of my pillows. I don't think I could link things, well, I could link things from Hobby Lobby. But these are from Hobby Lobby. They have such great Christmas deals. This is where Boomer and Barkley literally ruined my couch, because all they do is sit outside and watch things out the window, so they like ruin the couch right here. But if you turn around, this is basically where all the Christmas magic happens. So with the tree, I actually got this tree from Walmart. It was like 70 bucks. I needed something that wasn't like so big, because we do live in a small apartment, and I got all of the ornaments and like these things, which you just like literally pull out of the tree, from I think Michael's. Yeah, so Michael's, and then I also got the star at Michael's. The only thing I think I got from Target were these little cute deer that I added to the tree as well. And then over here on our little TV stand, I also get a lot of questions about where I got the TV stand, even though it's not Christmas, but I got it at Walmart. It's the Better Homes and Gardens brand, literally so cute. So I got to this garland from Target, and I actually forgot to light it up. So they're actually the same lights that I have on the centerpiece in the island as well. These lights are, I got them at Michael's, so you could either do that, you could either have them on like solid, or they could like fade in and out. They were super, super affordable. So I just kind of wrap them up in this garland that I got from Target. It was super affordable. The only thing that I haven't gotten yet were more like stocking holders that I do need, but these stockings I know are from Target. And then this one is Boomer's. Barkley ate his last year, so we need to order him a new one before Christmas, but they customized those I think on PetSmart. I'll link them as well. So yeah, that is the Christmas decor in here. And then over here, I just put these really cute little pom-poms on the mirror. So I got both of them, or it's called garland actually, but I got them from Hobby Lobby. And I just mixed both of them together, added them to the mirror, so when I do my cute little try-ons over here, it looks super cute. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys all of the Christmas decor. That's basically all the Christmas decor, but if you are interested in seeing our fully decorated apartment or furnished apartment, since I never really showed you guys, I will show you the bathroom, which there is a few little Christmas things in here too. So I got this cute little rug at Target, and then I got this cute little soap dispenser at Target as well, super affordable. I also got this really cute snow globe. It has flamingos. I got this at Home Goods. How cute is that? So got that at Home Goods. They probably don't have them in like Florida. And then I think I grabbed this at the dollar section in Target, $3. It just goes in my. In here, it's not the cleanest, but I just wanted to show you guys, like, this was supposed to be like my closet / guest room, but then there's obviously no Christmas stuff in here. But it's kind of like a hot mess right now. I got this cute little shelf, Boomer's joining us, from Amazon, and I just have a few like decorations on there. I just kind of like switch it up whenever I'm doing like try-ons or anything that I'm doing in here, and I just got a mirror and stuff. I usually have that plant outside, but it was actually a tropical storm yesterday, so I had to put it inside, and then this one's usually in the living room, but since the Christmas tree is there, that's why that's there. But otherwise, this is our guest room. Cody basically changes in there, cameraman right now. Why didn't you clean up your pants, young man? Okay, he has no answer. And the wonderful Christmas tree box that's in the corner and needs to be put away. But Boomer loves this room. Wait, before we get into the bedroom, my bedroom, I have to show you guys one last thing. This garland up here, I bought it from Michael's, and it, I also bought these lights and just wrapped them in the garland. And I have this thing up here. Look it. They have so many different modes. So fun. These lights were like $9 or something like that. I don't even know. I think they were $8.99 with like 30% off. So anyways, we'll just move on. So I wanted to show you guys also my bedroom. This was like the biggest thing where I didn't want to show you guys the decorated version of my apartment, because we really never like decorated it that much. I have like no artwork or anything on the walls, but that will change soon. It's also really dark here. And you have to like go up there to like turn on the light. So anyways, I'll just kind of show you guys. Boomer likes to come in any room that we're in. But yeah, so there's really nothing going on in here. We just have like a dresser and the dog's bed, and that's about it. So let's go back out here. So that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys the Christmas decor and wanted to link it all for you guys in the blog post. And like I said, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll link the blog post below so that you can see in detail where I got everything from the Christmas decor. I'm not gonna like link my like furniture and stuff like that, just because obviously this is a Christmas decor vlog, but I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek into like the other rooms that I never really showed you with the furniture in it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.